Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use RustDesk on Android. So let's get started. First, open your preferred browser on Android like Chrome and go to the official RustDesk website. Over here, tap on the RustDesk Android option and then tap the download button. After that, confirm by tapping download anyway and wait for the download to finish. Then open the downloaded RustDesk APK file and tap install. If Play Protect blocks it, then make sure you only download a PKS from reputable sources for security. After that, once installed, open the RustDesk app on your Android. Over here, you'll see a field for remote ID. Enter the RustDesk ID of the device you want to control. Then tap Connect and enter the password of the remote device. After that, tap OK to begin the session. Once connected, your screen will display the other device's screen. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next